Hey everybody, welcome back to Nico Brothers. We're out here with our $10,000 budget build, which we went over closer to 11 something. But anywho, we're happy about it. So basically we want to drive it back to the shop. We got an hour drive.
We actually got to go pick up parts for it.
Yeah.
No.
We're going to pick up parts.
For another car.
Right. But we're going to take it, go get some parts, and head back to the shop.
So let's put the taillight back on.
Yep, definitely that.
Start it for the first time.
Didn't start it. That was kind of forgot about that. Yeah.
Take all the parts out of the inside so we can room.
And
so
yeah,
it's an adventure.
Oh yeah, part of it for sure. But you got to keep going, got to hustle and get it done.
Will it plug in?
Hopefully. Let's see why not.
And we're not working on vehicles here, are we, Michael?
Oh, no,
we're just
putting it back.
Don't break it. Don't break it. You can go lower, bud.
I see it.
Is this your first time putting a taillight on, or? Oh, look at this.
Oh, look at this. Just trying to get that to pop in.
Maybe it does have damage.
There goes a clip. There it goes.
Thanks for breaking it, bud.
The clip was in the way.
Okay, do you have a bolt to put in there?
I do have a bolt.
At least one bolt. Now we can see if the taillights work. Might as well take all this stuff off. So all that stuff I'm gonna fix up, huh?
Yeah, it's not lining up right. Maybe that's fine. Probably did get pinched. Yeah, you could see it. Got some work ahead of you.
Alright, so Michael got the jump box. Let's see if this thing can finally start. Hopefully it's not too bad. And I guess I'm gonna drive this thing back, so gotta move these bumpers. Ooh, start right up. That definitely gave me a worry. A bunch of lights on the dash because a bunch of stuff is probably still unplugged. But let's go hit the road. All right, guys, so I'm gonna actually hit the road on this car. We got the taillight installed. We got the other parts moved so I can actually see through the other mirror. Gonna have to take off our sticker.
Nice and fresh.
Fresh. Nobody's gonna know. But pretty much I'm gonna go and probably straight to the paint store.
Oh yeah.
We'll go to the paint store, get the paint, and then hopefully maybe get the paint the bumper today, and then tomorrow put it together. We're done. Just like that, quick rebuild. That's the plan, as long as everything's inside. Because I mean, they had a bunch of structural stuff, but I don't think we're going to replace that. We're going to try to pull it out because it still has salvage title. So
yep, no, not too bad.
But go ahead and hit the road, and hour drive should be no problem. All right, guys, we're driving it. All the lights are on the dash, and then when I floor it, it doesn't want to drive. Look at that, it's hesitating. Oh my goodness. But when I give it like a little bit of gas, it drives fine. So maybe let the battery charge up a little bit, and then we'll see. That's not good. Oh, it's driving. All right, so I think let's get some gas. Maybe the battery charged all the way, and hopefully this thing's gonna restart. If not, I have no jumper cables. We'll have to figure it out. All right, so we got gas in this thing. Let's turn this thing off and see if it'll start back up. Kind of worried. Okay. Okay, start right up. That's good. The battery's good. But all these lights are still on. All right. Let's see how it drives. Oh, it's got power. All right, there we go. Not hesitating like the last time. Dun, 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 dun. It's got like an hour drive, 60 miles. It should make it. Okay, let's see. Moment of truth. So far, it's been good. All right, it's going. So let's hit the road. All right, just like that, we got the paint. We're going back to the shop, get this rear bumper painted, and and get this thing knocked out pretty quick. Let's get to it. All right, so there we have it. We got the bumper and we're ready to paint it. So we scuffed it down. I just put some bumper adhesion onto the bumper, and we're actually gonna paint the whole thing because what I didn't notice was it was scratched up all on the bottom. So we're just gonna get that to match all the way and be a custom Subaru, I guess. So let's go ahead and let this splash for about 5-10 minutes. And then we're gonna put about 3 coats of the base and 2 coats of the clear. Let's get to it. All right, just like that, we got this thing painted. Hopefully it's gonna match. I can't say until we try tomorrow, but tomorrow we'll catch you guys in the morning. We're gonna start doing some body work, hopefully fix that quarter, fix the bottom, put it all together, and we'll be done with this quick rebuild and get it sold or put on the marketplace. So I'll catch you guys in the morning. All right guys, so it's the next day. Last night I got the bumper painted, so we can slap it on, Michael. What do you think?
I might need a little pulling. That looks.
Nobody will see everything.
Nobody will know. How will they know? No.
We're just gonna pull this out a little bit. We're gonna touch it up, and it's gonna be perfectly fine. It's definitely not the structural. It's not the frame rail, nothing like that. And then we have all those parts. So let's go ahead and
pump it out.
Tail light that you barely put on.
Yep.
And then we get a little pump jack in there. We'll pump it out.
Yeah, the rebar right there.
We got the new rebar.
Yeah.
Or we might put the old rebar on. I don't know. I mean, the old rebar is painted, so if it looks fine, it looks fine. You know?
We'll see. We'll check them out. Yeah.
It might fit better too, the old one than the new one.
Fit right on there.
But let's go ahead and assemble it as best we can. Oh, make sure all the parts are in there.
Yep.
Because actually we need that. But yeah.
Yeah. Take it apart and put it back together.
And hopefully today we'll be done with it.
That'd be nice.
Washed, and we'll start driving it.
Subaru number 2, 10K, done. Ew. What's up with the glass? Like that was not needed to be in there. That's nice. Look at all those new parts. Bumper bracket, yeah, for sure.
Look at these new Subaru signs.
No way. New stickers.
You can sell this on eBay for like $1.50.
Toolbox.
$2.
New gaskets. A lot of stickers. It'll all take apart for you, so that's nice.
Yeah, kinda. Oh, look, a new thing.
Breather thing.
I bet you the old one will fit perfectly fine.
Man, they're like, oh, you need this, and they're like, oh, salvage title.
And technically, all we did was go buy paint for this thing. So,
Yep.
and our labor, so this thing should be like cheap.
We overpaid a little bit, but
I mean, but
more than
look at all these
10K.
parts are saying. Like this would have been like what, $20
At least.
at least. I mean,
More than
now
that.
we're molding the taillight, which the taillight's probably like $100.
At least.
The rebar, we might need this molding, you know.
Side skirts. There's probably a new one in there too.
Look, ready? Good to go.
A little more rubbing, Evan.
A little more. But this looks original, you know, same miles, you know.
OEM.
Put on that. Look at that.
Done.
Never ever happened.
Done. Good parts, bad parts. Go through it, get it done.
All right, so we got the little pump jack in there. We're gonna pump it off that strut tower because that's gonna be really strong. And it's gonna move pretty easy. So we got block right there. We're gonna try to just push this out slowly and see how that works. Let's see, just pump it. So that ain't moving, but that's moving. Get a little bit closer. Oh man. That's good. Look at that. It's not bad at all. Might have to reposition a little bit more in here, or maybe a little bit up here, but it's going. If I get this nice and straight, let's get to it. All right, so we pulled it out. Let's see if this door mirror, because before they would not line up. And look at that. Perfect. So that's good. Next thing we probably do is fix this bottom piece, put the little thing on, slap the bumper on, and see how that turns out.
And there we go, guys, just like that, bumper is on and we're back on the road. I know Ivan drove this from Copart, so that wasn't a big deal, but yeah, there it is. I would say the color is off a little bit, but not too bad. Still salvage title. We're not gonna get top dollar for it, unfortunately, so I don't know, it's right there. Definitely could tell it's been repainted, but that's just how it is sometimes. We still have to do a couple things to it. There's some lights on the dash we gotta take care of, but good thing no airbags deployed, nothing like that. So just gonna keep going, but pretty nice, pretty happy with it. Quick turnaround, nice, 2020. So basically this was our $10,000 budget deal that we did. Obviously we went over budget, but all the numbers, we got this at the end. The winning bid was more than 10,000 at the end after all the fees and Copart, other stuff. It was $12,108. Paint was $100. Shipping, I just said $100 because we brought ourselves the gas and time, you know, just whatever. So $100 at the end was $12,308. Kind of what it ended up for us. Then all their labor and, you know, our own time, but whatever. But these are going for about $20,000 even with salvage title. So I think we're still in the green and I'm happy with it. Pretty sweet. I mean, it's got heated seats in the front and the rear. Nice big old screen inside. I would say it's pretty sweet. Not bad little Outbacks. We got four-wheel drive, obviously. Check out that screen. Said pretty nice. Leather. Roof racks. I thought that was pretty cool. Having heated seats in the rear because you know it's gonna be cold. But yeah, not bad. Turned out pretty nice there. Power lift gate. Pretty cool as well. So that's on there. You just push a button and it closes. So we're not gonna ask too much for it. I get 15, I'm happy, move on in life. Not bad. Rear end damage, but we got it all done. But okay guys, thanks for watching. You know, thanks for joining us in this little quick rebuild. Not too bad, I would say. Paint didn't, it's just hard sometimes. I mean, you go back and forth, you get in the paint code. Just sometimes it's not perfect, but we'll see. If we'll repaint it, I don't know. But leave some comments down below if you enjoyed this kind of episode. This is kind of our daily routine. You know, you go Copart, you buy some, you fix it, and you sell it. So cool. But thanks so much for watching, guys. Make sure you're subscribed. It really helps us out and motivates us to keep going. Thanks, guys, and we'll catch you next time.